there, I'm Misty Ann, back in my closet, this time with some splaining to do. Yes, I missed my last Sunday wardrobe planning video and I had every intention of doing it. I was going to do a best of from the last 18 weeks, none of which I missed. And I came down with a horrible migraine and also just had a very active weekend. So I will be back next weekend. I have the next 4 weeks booked. We've got some really fun wardrobe planning sessions coming up. Next weekend is going to be with my friend Thais Amaral Talawi of the Amaral Talawi law firm. She is actually my good friend and my estate attorney, and she is coming back. She recently had a little girl, Sasha, so we're going to probably be talking a little bit about coming back to work after having a baby and all that good stuff. And then I have Jody Skorupski coming back, Jamie Beisel coming back in another friend of mine's closet, and also filming another good friend of mine's closet who is a mortgage broker who has a fabulous closet. So lots of great stuff lined up in October. I will also be back this Thursday with another wardrobe planning tip. I've got a good one for you this week. And I am working on another Tuesday video. My girl Amina Khan had asked me to expand on a video that I did several weeks ago about changing out purses every day. She said, can we have a little bit more detail, please? Because I talked about my purse drawer where I keep everything, my contents of my purses, and keep them compartmentalized. She asked, could you maybe show us a little bit more about how you compartmentalize those and how you organize your drawer? I definitely want to do that. I just want to work out a few more kinks. I definitely change out my purse every day, but my drawer isn't quite where I want it on organization. And just to give you a little hint, one of the things that I'm experimenting with, I think I've just about got the solution down, has to do with those loose papers, receipts, and different important information you get when maybe you go to a meeting or you get a brochure. I'm scanning those, and when I scan them, I'm trying to be very disciplined about labeling them, because if you don't do that, you might as well just have a bunch of loose papers. It's just a bunch of loose files that you have to look through. But I really want to get that a little bit more perfected, so I show it to you before I show it to you. So that is coming down the pike. Anyway, thank you for those of you who asked me about last week and missed the wardrobe planning session. My apologies for that again. Definitely back next week and back this Thursday with a quick tip. In the meantime, have a wonderful week.